Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Science Class. I'm Ma'am Draper, your science teacher for today. Join me as we explore the wonderful world of science. Are you ready? Okay, let's go and have fun.
Hello kids! We've just finished our lesson about the kinds of mixture. This time, we will be focusing on the next topic about techniques in separating mixtures, specifically the decantation and evaporation. Are you ready? But before that, let's have a simple review. Determine if the following mixtures are solution, colloids, or suspension. Number 1. Paint. Very good. Paint is a colloid. Number 2. Muddy water. Very good. You are also correct. Muddy water is a colloid. How about number 3? Soft drinks. Good job. Soft drinks is a solution. Number 4. Bagoong. You are correct. That is a suspension. Number 5. Alloy. Good job. Alloy is a solution. Number 6. Oil and water. You are correct. Oil and water is an example of suspension.
Diane is cooking for a dinner. She was about to put oil in the frying pan when she accidentally added some water to the oil. What will she do? Let us help Diane by doing this experiment. In our activity, oil and water do not mix and form a heterogeneous mixture. They are immiscible liquids. The oil is separated from the water by pouring or scooping out the topmost liquid. This process is called decantation. Decantation is a technique used in separating a less dense substance from a denser one by scooping using a spoon, or it can be removed by slowly pouring out the less dense substance. Separating immiscible liquid is not as simple as large-scale separation. For example, it is not easy to clean up oil spill on a large body of water. To clean an oil spill, some people scoop up the oil floating on the surface. Some use ship with pump to suction out the oil. Have you ever wondered how salt is produced? In some coastal areas, people get their salt from seawater. Pangasinan is famous for salt-making industry in the Philippines. Seawater is a mixture of salt and water. Exposing it under the sun will make the water evaporate, leaving the salt behind. This process is called evaporation. To know more about evaporation, let's do an experiment. In the process of evaporation, the solution of water and salt is heated for the liquid to evaporate. The water in the mixture did not disappear. It became a gas called water vapor. Solid particles of salt remains after liquid evaporates. Evaporation is a technique used in separating a soluble solid from a liquid. To summarize our lesson, decantation and evaporation are some techniques in separating mixtures.
That's all for today. Always remember, learning science is fun. See you again!